Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Audi S5. First of all, we go into settings, make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. It'll already be set to be discoverable, and indeed it's come up already. So if we click on Audi there, Bluetooth pairing request, pin entry required, connect, yes, but I'll just click pair there and then select yes. Does the pin match? Well, yeah, it does. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. That's it done. It should probably be at the top there. That's it, connected.